Today's Bible verse comes from James chapter 5, verse 8, King James Version. Be ye also patient, establish your hearts, for the coming of the Lord draweth nigh. James 5:8 is a call for patience and steadfastness for Christians awaiting for Jesus' return, using the analogy of a farmer patiently waiting for the harvest. James 5:7 to encourage believers to stay firm in faith and not grumble or give up during trials, trusting God's perfect timing for justice and resolution. It means strengthening your heart and enduring hardships, knowing the Lord's coming and the end of suffering is near. Here are the key ideas. Number 1, be patient, be steadfast. Don't get anxious or complain when things are tough. Remain calm and strong. Number 2, establish your hearts. Strengthen your inner resolve and trust in God's promises. Number 3, the Lord's coming is near. This hope motivates endurance as ultimate resolution and Christ's reign are coming. Number 4, farmer analogy. Just as a farmer waits for the right rains and harvest, Christians must trust God's perfect timing for His work to mature and for justice to prevail. In essence, James 5:8 tells believers to wait with hope and strength, not with impatience, because God's timing for bringing all things to completion is certain. Amen.